Today, I will be giving you a tour of our 2015 Tiffin Allegro Bus, model 45 LP. It is an all-electric coach with a bath and a half floor plan, featuring aqua-hot hydronic heating. The coach is a 45-foot diesel pusher with a 450 horsepower Cummins engine, coupled with an Allison 6-speed transmission. The bus has a gross vehicle weight rating of 51,300 pounds and a towing capacity of 15,000 pounds, making the combined weight rating of 66,300 pounds. Up front, it has a dual-fill 150-gallon diesel fuel tank. Here's a look at the inside of our bus. This is the captain's chair. The cockpit controls are all within easy reach. The triple vision camera system makes maneuvering in tight campgrounds a breeze. As we come inside, 4 opposing slide-outs make for a spacious living area. We have 2 couches and a booth dinette. The galley is both spacious and functional. It features a convection oven microwave combo, a 2-compartment sink, residential refrigerator, dishwasher, and a 2-burner induction cooktop. The floor plan features a half bath between the bedroom and galley. As we move into the bedroom, you'll see that it features a king-size bed, flat-screen TV, and a plethora of storage for all of your clothes and more. The master bathroom has a spacious walk-in shower and a double vanity. At the back of the bus, there is a large walk-in closet with a wall-safe shoe rack and plenty of storage. It also has a cabinet with a stacked washer and dryer. The passenger side couch folds out into a small sleeping area, which is beside the fireplace and flat-screen TV. We all love to sit by the fireplace on cold nights. The residential couch features electric recliners on both ends. Most of the electronics in the bus are controlled by a multiplex wiring system. We hope you enjoyed our tour of our Tiffin Allegro bus. Make sure you smash that like button, ring the little bell up there, down there, up there, down there. Comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for our upcoming video next week, Adventures in Plumbing.